Hello, welcome to Atlas Veterinary Clinic and Surgery. Please come in. And the first room you will see here, this is our main reception. As you can see, the space is actually quite small because we want to dedicate majority of the space to the medical facilities you will see later. And then this small, cute little serving window actually allow pet owners to come and pick up medication in a convenient manner. Just right behind me, this is our display cabinet where we showcase some of our prescription diets for our pets, and also this is some of our dental products that we carry. In the next room over here, this is our consultation room 1. So this is the first thing you'll see. Actually, there's a small little hole there for cats to hide when they are insecure, and this helps to provide them with some comfort. At this moment in time, the foldable table is down so that we have more space for big dogs like Labrador Retrievers or Huskies. Then majority of the time, the foldable table will be kept up so we can examine the cat or the small dog on the tabletop. And this tabletop is actually textured to provide some friction, so then when they stand here, they don't find it too slippery, so they can stand properly. So the next room here is the lab and pharmacy area. Please follow me. So on your left side, this is the pharmacy cabinet with hundreds of different types of medications. One thing we've been experimenting with is actually flavoring for medications, because we know that it can be very challenging when we try to feed our pets. So we have tuna flavor, apple flavor, fish flavor to experiment with, and then the most popular flavor now is actually bacon, so something worth considering. So on your right side, this is the lab area, and then this is our in-house blood machine that can produce results within 20 minutes so that we can get accurate and repeat diagnosis to identify the problem. And then this side here is our digital microscope, allow us to examine samples down to the cellular level. On the screen now is actually an ear mite that we found from a cat. We also do in-house fungal cultures. A lot of times when we see pets with skin issues, it is helpful to collect some fur sample to do further testing. So the next area here, this is the treatment area. So this is arguably the busiest area of the vet clinic, where we do various procedures like blood collection and wound cleaning, and we have anesthetic capabilities here, so we can do minor surgeries like wound stitch-ups, and also a dental machine to allow us to do dental procedures for dog, cats, and then pocket pets like rabbit, guinea pig, and chinchillas. So the next room here is the diagnostic suite. Please come in. And then we have the X-ray machine here, which allows us to take X-ray images of the abdomen or various bones. On the screen, this is a fracture repair that we did recently. The X-ray machine can also be adjusted accordingly depending on what angle we need for the patient. And so we have ultrasound machine to look at various organs, for example, the liver. In this case, this is a kidney that we scanned recently. So the next room over here, this is the isolation ward to house patients with infectious diseases. There is individual drainage for us to flush infectious material like diarrhea down the drain to reduce spread, and also an exhaust fan on top to prevent aerosols from escaping this area. So this is where most of the magic happens. We do a wide variety of surgeries here at Atlas Vet, ranging from more routine procedures like sterilization to more complex surgeries like wound reconstruction or fracture repair. For example, this is a bone plate which we will use for broken leg in a bigger sized dog like a Singapore Special. One of the common reasons pet owners are fearful of surgery is due to the general anesthesia risk. So this machine right here helps us to monitor the vitals of the patient under general anesthesia to make sure that we complete the surgery safely. And this is a vessel sealing device that we shipped all the way in from Germany, and it allows us to seal blood vessels safely and swiftly, cutting surgical time by as much as 50%. So this is consultation room 2, which is very similar to room 1, and this area over here is the hospital ward. The cages here are for cats and pocket pets. As you can see, the cages are faced towards the wall so that they don't feel so exposed and vulnerable. The cages are actually custom made and flown in from America. They are made of fiberglass, different from the traditional metal cages because the fiberglass material is more warm and less noisy. The dog cages are housed separately from the cats and pocket pets because sometimes the dogs can be quite noisy when they are barking. The walls around this area are actually soundproof to reduce the noise pollution. And we are back at the main reception area. As you can see, we put a lot of thought into the design of the layout for this vet clinic. A lot of these rooms are actually interlinked so that when we bring pets through the various rooms, we minimize interaction between them. This helps to reduce stress and potential conflict among the patients. And that's all for the tour of Atlas Vet. We hope this video is informative for you. Thank you for watching.